Heat puree and glucose to 40 degrees. Mix 20 grams of sugar with the pectin. Add to the boiling puree. In the meanwhile, take the sorbitol and mix with the rest of the sugar. Add it little by little while the puree is boiling. Take the puree off the heat and add the citric acid. Cool in a piping bag to 26 to 28 degrees. Now it's time for the hazelnut ganache. Melt the chocolate, boil the cream with the sugars and the salt, put it on top of the chocolate, blend with the stick blender, add the hazelnut praline, and keep blending until it's emulsified and cool in a piping bag. Now prepare the blueberry compote and do that exactly the same way than the cherry compote. I know this goes a little bit fast, but all the recipes are in the description. And if you haven't done it, hit the subscribe and the notification button. Thank you! For the peanut butter ganache, melt the chocolate in a microwave. Heat the cream with all the sugars and the salt to boiling point. Emulsify with a stick blender until it's nice and shiny. Add the peanut butter puree and emulsify again. If you want, add some peanut butter oil. Cool in a piping bag. Now it's time for the design. It's gonna be a very easy design, just a red dot for the raspberry compote and a blue dot for the blueberry compote. I use tempered cocoa butter. Remember to watch my video about tempering cocoa butter. I get so many questions and that is really nice, but most of the questions I get, they're already answered in my other videos, so please watch the other videos. Most of your questions are already answered in there. Now it's time for the chocolate shell. Yes, milk chocolate, and I added some cocoa butter, actually 10% extra. Melted it to 45 to 50 degrees Celsius, added some carrots and cooled it down to 32 degrees. If the chocolate is too warm, add some more carrots until you reach the desired temperature. Then your chocolate should be tempered. Your cocoa butter needs to be crystallized before you put in the tempered chocolate. Let the shells crystallize for at least 1 hour at 16 degrees. Remember the fillings, all the fillings shouldn't be warmer than 29, maybe 30 degrees. Otherwise you have the risk of untempering your chocolate shell and then we'll have problems to get them out of your mold. And if your fillings are getting too cold, you can have a problem as well. Then they will start to crystallize and they will set. So remember to use the fillings at between 26 and 30 degrees. It's up to you how to combine those fillings, but I use the blueberry compote with the hazelnut ganache. My hazelnut ganache became a little bit too cold and a little bit too viscous, so have you ever tried to put water on your fingers and press down the ganache? well, it works, but it's not so good. You see there's water on top of the ganache. So I really wouldn't recommend to do so. I have a better idea. Yeah, maybe you can just use a finger without water. Still, it's too slow this way. Of course, you could also put a little bit of oil on your finger, but I have a better idea. Use some cling film, put it on top, press down, make it nice and flat. Let the filling crystallize and then remove the film. You can also use something which fits the cavities to press down to make it nice and even. I use the top of my cocoa butter bottle. You see, it fits perfectly. Then let the filling crystallize at least 1 hour, maybe even longer, before you put chocolate to close these bonbons. And if you like that tip, please write me a comment. I close these bonbons with tempered white chocolate. That gives you a very nice cut instead of everything is milk chocolate. So tempered white chocolate. And I temper my white chocolate exactly the same that I tempered the milk chocolate. Remember to watch my video on tempering chocolate. And here they are, nice and shiny blueberry compote bonbons with a hazelnut ganache. You will see the cut at the end of the video. And here raspberry bonbons with a peanut butter ganache. Very nice taste. I bet you all will love these chocolate bonbons. I hope you will be back soon. I hope you will be back for more. I hope you hit the subscribe and the like button and the notification button so you can see all my videos. Look at this cut. So nice, so moist. Very nice texture. You will love this taste. Make them for your friends and for your family. See you soon. Bye bye.